The Met Office is known for producing forecasts for the UK, but we also monitor the weather all around the world. We're currently monitoring a hurricane in the Caribbean. This is Hurricane Gonzalo, which is currently just to the northeast of Dominican Republic. It's moving northwards slowly over the next 24 hours and is expected to affect Bermuda tomorrow. We've been working closely with the Foreign and Commonwealth Office and other organisations, and also with the Bermuda Met Service to provide any help that they might need. So the storm is currently moving northwards towards Bermuda, and you can see it on the satellite imagery here, with Bermuda being the red dot. The official forecast from the National Hurricane Centre shows the track passing very close to Bermuda, with the eye of the hurricane expected just west of there tomorrow. That's going to mean Bermuda is going to see very strong winds, with winds well over 100 miles an hour, with gusts perhaps as much as 140 miles an hour. Those strong winds are going to cause significant structural damage, and there may well be some coastal flooding as well. As the storm continues northwards, it starts to undergo extratropical transition just off the Newfoundland coast as it overruns the cooler waters of the Atlantic. So we look at a range of different forecast models to produce forecasts for the UK. At the moment there's good continuity between models for the forecast track of Gonzalo to move northeastwards and undergo extratropical transition off Newfoundland. As we go forwards beyond that, so beyond Sunday, we do start to see slight differences in the possible track of Gonzalo. At the moment, the most likely solution is for the storm to decay and move across the UK as a spell of wet and windy weather, with perhaps gale force winds in the north and west of the country. But as I said, there are some variations on the forecast, and the track of Gonzalo, or the remnants of Gonzalo, may move south across France or may pass well to the north of the UK. The most likely situation at the moment is for us to see a spell of wet and windy weather, as I said, and gale force winds in the north and west could well cause a bit of minor disruption, with trees still very much in full leaf. We could see one or two trees down and perhaps some localised flooding from heavy rainfall. But that's really what we would expect for this time of year. And in the main, this is very typical of an autumnal storm.